Morning guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we're doing quite a big retrofit for this VW T-Cross. It's brand new, 69 plate. It's literally just come into the main dealer, but it needs another extra. The customer themselves, they've got a bit of a bad shoulder and it needs to have an electric tailgate. To get one spec'd from factory was a massive wait time for this particular model. So that's what we're doing today, is we are retrofitting using all genuine parts, the electric tailgate. So Richard's just going to literally open up the tailgate quickly, just so you can see how it works at the moment. The handle goes in, and then that's it. So we've got these standard struts going on here. We've already got the cutout ready, well, the marker, I don't know if you can see it just over here. So a new button will be going in there. We've got a new lock mech going in here. We've got the motors, we've got the control modules that all have to be wired down to the front of the vehicle. And yeah, so this isn't like a how-to or anything like that. It's just really to show you that it is possible, that we can do it, and that there's loads of different vehicles that we can do it on. So the next video will be this T-Cross all fully fitted out, coded, and a nice electric tailgate working in operation. Okay guys, right, so a few or several hours later, we have now completed the electric tailgate retrofit on this VW T-Roc. So, first and foremost, you've got a couple ways of doing different things. I'm just going to show it off the key fob first. So all you have to do is just push, the car's locked at the moment, so we're just going to push and hold the middle tailgate button. Electric tailgate's going to open. And whilst we're here, you can see the brand new struts that have all been connected up and installed with all the correct modules and wiring and all that sort of stuff. We now have the new tailgate button just there, but I'm going to show that off in a second with Ricardo's help. So now this next feature is fully dependent on the software already in the vehicle. We added in the extra coding ourselves and the car accepted it, which means that now the customer can push and hold whilst it's open, and the tailgate will remotely close and then latch in. So I'll show that off again in a second whilst I've opened it. Well, actually, Richard's going to come and just open the tailgate and using the emblem. Opened it. So this time, when you're doing it with the buttons, you don't get the warning buzzer. It just opens and closes. And Richard is going to push the button. It's coming down, and then I'm hopefully going to be able to show you the soft latching. There you go, you probably just saw that there. So, VW T-Roc 2019, brand new, not even registered yet, and we have successfully retrofitted the electric tailgate function. This customer, like I said, needed it because of their shoulder to be able to open and close it a bit more effectively. If you've got a Volkswagen or an Audi that needs an electric tailgate, within reason, the part should be available. It's not the cheapest retrofit in the world, but it's certainly one that has transformed this vehicle in terms of its functionality and its ease of use. So if you need any help or any advice, then just get in touch. The website address is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. If you're interested in this sort of thing, the world of Audi and VW retrofits, every time we do something different, we'll always do a video. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and if you get a chance, click the little notifications icon and you'll get notified every time we upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching.